The last thing I want to do with you guys today is to go through some problems, making sure that you're using the order of operations correctly, because in the practice today, you will be plugging in some values, and I want to make sure you're doing that correctly. So for this one here, it says to find the value of y for each equation when x equals 4. So we're given the equation y equals x plus 2 squared. So what we're going to do here is we are going to take the x and plug it in to the equation right here. So that's going to give us y equals, parentheses, 4 plus 2 squared. So again, using the order of operations, we have to do what's inside of the parentheses first. So 4 plus 2 gives us 6. And then we can use the exponent. So this is going to give us y equals 36. For 6 squared, that's 6 times 6. Okay, for part B, same thing, just looks a little bit different. So here we have y equals x squared plus 2. So we're plugging in 4 for x. For this one, there's nothing to do inside of the parentheses. So the first thing we're going to do is use the exponent. So this is 4 squared, that's 4 times 4, which gives us 16. And then we can add, so y equals 16 plus 2, which is 18. All right, here we have y equals negative x plus 2 squared. Still plugging in 4 for x. We get y equals negative 4 plus 2 squared. So what do we have here? We have parentheses. So 4 plus 2 gives us 6. Then we have exponents. So 6 squared is 36. And then we have multiplication. So we're multiplying this invisible 1, negative 1, to the 36. And we get y equals negative 36. Couple more. For this one here, y equals negative x squared plus 2. So y equals negative 4 squared plus 2. So we have nothing to do inside the parentheses, therefore we use the exponent first. 4 squared is 16. From there, we need to multiply, so we're going to multiply the 16 times the negative 1, giving us negative 16. And then lastly, we can add the 2. Negative 16 plus 2 gives us a negative 14. Okay, one more. Y equals x plus 2 squared minus 5, still plugging in 4 for x. So y equals 4 plus 2 squared minus 5. So parentheses first, 4 plus 2 gives us 6. Exponents next, 6 to the second power gives us 36. Then we can go ahead and subtract the 5. So y is equal to 36 minus 5 gives us 31. Now it's just a few problems to make sure that you're following the order of operations properly. And that is it for 2-1.